Why sleep matters for athletes.
Quality sleep is as important as training and nutrition for athletes. During sleep, the body repairs muscles, restores energy, and balances key hormones. Missing out on sleep or not cycling through its stages can lead to slower recovery, increased injury risk, and reduced performance. Prioritizing good sleep habits is essential for anyone looking to maximize their athletic potential.
The sleep cycle, an overview.
Sleep occurs in repeating cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes. These cycles include light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each stage serves a different function in recovery and performance. Moving smoothly through the sleep stages ensures the body reaps unique benefits, affecting how athletes heal, learn new skills, and feel energized for their next workout.
Deep sleep, physical recovery.
During deep sleep, the body focuses on physical restoration. Muscle tissues rebuild, the immune system strengthens, and growth hormone is released, crucial for muscle repair and adaptation. A lack of deep sleep means slower healing after intense exercise, more soreness, and decreased gains. Consistent, undisturbed sleep helps athletes recover faster and train harder.
REM sleep, mental and skill recovery.
REM sleep is vital for mental recovery and skill development. In this stage, the brain consolidates memories, processes emotions, and refines motor skills. For athletes, this can mean better focus, improved decision-making, and the ability to learn complex physical routines. Prioritizing full sleep cycles, including REM sleep, supports both mind and body in reaching peak performance.
Tips for optimizing sleep for performance.
To gain the full benefits of sleep for recovery, athletes should aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly in a cool, dark, quiet room. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, wind down with relaxing routines, and limit screens before bed. These habits help ensure more time in restorative, deep, and REM sleep, leading to faster recovery and better athletic results.